Oh God! Oh no! Oh no!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Indiana...
Not again!
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, east central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Homer City, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Homer City, Blairsville, Black Lake, West Lebanon, New Florence, Seward, Bolivar, Chiloctaw, Armagh, Lucerne Mines, Jacksonville. Move to an interior room